That's really sneaky, princess. You're not gonna ask me properly.
So we are gonna go unbox this camera. Yeah. So this is what it looks like, and let me open the box. Oh, freak, motherfucker! Hey asshole, where the fuck are you, man? Look what you give me, you asshole. There's nothing you. Give back my money now. Give back my money now, you asshole. Where did you spend it? You what? You spend it on a prostitute? What are you? A horny bunny or something? Give me my money now. You. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Mino HD. And yeah, without further ado, let's start unboxing. Okay. So this is the thing. You call that? I don't know what you call that, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's open up. Okay, once we open up, we have this camera here, and let's take it out. Ooh, this is nice. Sweet. I love this. Okay, let's put this aside. So once we open up this, we'll have the user manual, user guide, and all the features and stuff. And I guess what's this? I do not know, but yeah. The best results: charge your Mino HD for 5 hours prior to use. Yep. Okay. You have your warranty, your safety instructions, and what we have here is the strap, I think. And last but not least is this bag. Oh, wait, okay, there's no cable. TV outlet thing. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Yep. So this is what it looks like on the box. It's silver in color. So yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Silver video camera, 4 GB of memory, records 1 hour. So basically I got the 4 GB model. Oops. And package includes video camera, blah 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 blah, all those good stuff. And let me see. Yeah, built-in flash memory, all those good stuff. So this is what it looks like behind the camera. Got the record button, plus minus, which I assume that this is the volume button, and this the directional buttons for scrolling and stuff, and this the play, this is the delete button. See that? Yeah. And I don't know what the hell is this. Only this is, yeah, it's on the switch. Okay, it's trying, okay, whatever. And yeah, this is the famous, yep, cool, isn't it? Okay, the tripod, HDMI cable here. Yep, the tripod, and yep, that's about it. Okay, I'm gonna go set up this. So this is how it looks like after setting up and stuff. You get to see, you get a record and stuff. Yep. Okay, I think I'm gonna go recharge it and test out the video quality. So this is the HD test. Okay, now oh yeah, I hope it looks good. I mean, it looks, wow, very nice. Yep. Rate, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Oh wait, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Please? 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 Go, click. Comment. Come on, thumbs up. Now!